Good morning. Just doing my morning walk and meditation, and I'm out here in the garden, and I've come to some conclusions. Is that, oh, look at that gecko. Y'all see him? Surveying stuff, looking for little bugs. There's a baby, there's a family. Anywho, oh Lord, my water started. Hold on. As I was saying, I heard the sprinkler on in the front, so I knew it was just a matter of time before I got caught in the back. Move this area, because this area, what I want to do is next summer, God willing, I want to extend this house out into another room, attach another room onto this wall. So there's no place for this garden right here. And the first freeze, after the last freeze, I'll be able to start planting out. And you can see this area better. So all of the plants can go there. I'll make a crop cover and just cover up everything. Clean this up, and then we'll be ready to lay the groundwork, when the ground softens back up for this extended patio or room or whatever we're going to do back here. I really want a weight room, a workout room, or a man cave or something, extra. And that's what I'll do on this side. I mean, I only been here a couple of months, so I got a million projects to do inside. So I just can't find the time to really get the work in out here to start a fall winter garden. It's just too much for today. I hope you will join me from all my other little projects I got going on in the house. We'll make some teas. I am going to grow some herbals, inside, some plants indoors, my mints, my sages, a lot of things that I got going on. I will grow indoors. We're going to harvest whatever I got. And then we'll talk about herbs. We'll do some projects. A lot of stuff we're going to do. Okay? And then we'll start our garden next year.